Hi guys, this is Crazy Beauty here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to achieve this beginner friendly makeup look and I will be mentioning all the steps throughout the video. Let's get started. I lost the original audio for this clip, so I'm doing voiceover here. First we are going to prep our skin using rice ceramide moisturizing cream. It's great for dry skin, helps to create smooth base for the makeup. That's why moisturizing our skin is very important before makeup. Now we are using the gripping primer from Mars. It has a gel-like, slightly sticky consistency that helps the foundation stay in place and last longer. I will be sharing the link of all the product I'm using in this video. I have applied primer on my skin and it feels a bit sticky, which is a good sign. It helps to keep the skin hydrated and perfectly prepped for the foundation. As you can see, my skin looks nice and hydrated. Now I'm using two concealers here, one that matches my skin tone and another in a lighter shade. First, I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade of 40 Caramel, which perfectly matches my skin tone. I will blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Now I will be using Swiss Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer with jojoba oil in the shade of 10 Porcelain, which will enhance the eyeshadow pigment beautifully. I'm using PAC loose powder to bake the concealer. You can use any loose powder of your choice. This step helps the eyeshadow blend more smoothly. If you skip this step, the eyeshadow might turn into patchy. Here I'm using PAC eyeshadow palette that I bought from Tira. This palette claims to give one swipe application. And yes, it does. I picked up two palettes, Nude and Mauve. The nude palette has beautiful range of shades from lighter to darker nude, perfect for everyday looks. The Mauve palette includes lovely pinkish tone with both metallic and matte finishing. I just love the Mauve palette. You can see how gorgeous it is. Now I'm going to take a lighter shade of eyeshadow from Nude palette which matches to my skin tone, and it will give you a beautiful transition while blending the another eyeshadows. Now I'm using Maybelline Kajal. It comes with the applicator like this. I love this Kajal because it is very pigmented. I'm going to create a eyeliner like this. After that, I'm going to take a darker shade from the Nude palette. I'm going to apply from the inner corner to the outer corner. Now I'm going to take same eyeshadow which I used initially to blend it out properly. Again, I'm going to take a metallic shade from the Mauve palette. This metallic shade is so beautiful, and I'm going to apply on my eyelids like this. Now I'm going to create another wing eyeliner for my under eyelashes like this, and inner corner eyeliner. Once it is done, it will look like this. Now I'm using e.l.f. color corrector in the shade of orange. This helps to cancel out the dark circle pigment. Just take 3 dots, that's enough, and blend it out gently with a blending brush. Next, I'm using L'Oreal concealer in the shade of almond. I really recommend this concealer because it gives high coverage. Make sure to blend it properly for the smooth and even finishing. I'm using small blending brush from the PAC Iconic Brush Pack for the lower lash line. I'm taking a dark brown shade from the Nude eyeshadow palette and blending it softly along the lower line. I will repeat the same eye makeup on the both sides to keep the look balanced. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of Caramel 332. This foundation is lightweight and give a natural finishing. I apply this with a damp blending sponge to give a smooth and even base for the makeup. Now I'm using Kajal from Lakme for the waterline. It will give a very good finishing for the eyeshadow. Now I'm using Inside Duo Stick Contour. It has a contour from the one end, from the another end there is a highlighter. I'm going to apply it on my forehead, nose, cheekbones and jawline. Then I'm blending it out nicely to give my face a natural sculpted look. I'm using Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade of Intense Guava, a beautiful hot pink shade. You will need only 2 dots to give a smooth finish and natural look. I'm a huge fan of this blush because it blended so properly and it gave a very natural look. I'm already in love with this blush. As you can see, it gives a very smooth finishing. Now I'm going to bake my makeup with the loose powder from PAC. Now I have finished my makeup using red lip liner from Mars and lipstick from Pilgrim. This is my final look. If you like this video, please comment down below and let me know. I did love to hear your thoughts. Your support truly helps me grow and stay connected to you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.